Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Deliwe, yeah, also known as the Deliwe. So as promised, in today's look we went a bit bold for my bold sisters, for my sexy girls, for my queens, the girls who are not scared to just go out there. So this is the look I did for you and I hope you love it. So let's get into it. Okay, so to prime my face I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte. And I'm gonna mix it with the Mineralize light cream. Guys, I'm so sorry I keep doing my eyebrows off camera. It's only because I'm trying to grow my eyebrows. So in today's look we are going to be using the Worrier by Juvia, and we are going to be using my favorite palettes ever, Jaclyn Hill X Morphe. In this palette, we are concentrating on this color here, and in this palette we are concentrating on this color right here and this one here, and then smoking it out. First off, I'm going to prime my eyes using the P. Louise base in shade 05 actually. And I'm going to take a blending sponge and today I'm actually going to use setting powder. I'm using the Laura Mercier powder on my eye just to set my P. Louise. So from the Jaclyn Hill we are using those two shades, these two, those are the ones that we're using, and I'm using the Morphe M330 brush. And the trick is for your eyes to look the same. What I've noticed is when you do colors on one side, do the other one. Just don't do this eye and finish with it, then go to this eye. You get confused. So do this eye and then do that eye. Do this and exchange as you go. Alright, and now I'm going to be using this darker one right here. Alright, so we are going to highlight underneath our eyebrow. So I'm going back in with a clean brush just to blend everything together. Alright, so in this video we are going to cut our crease, and I'm using the MAC Indian Wood. It's Pro Long Wear paint pots. So I like using a flat brush and an angle brush. An angle brush to just bring out that precise cut. So I'm going to be using both. Olivia, look up a bit. That's where my cut is going to be. My color. Okay. Then with our Worrier palette, getting this color right here. And then I'm going to take this brown color right here. Alright, then now I'm going in with the black smoky, black eyeshadow, so that we smoke out our eyeshadow. Don't go in with a lot of color, just start with gently. Don't put too much color because black can be very overpowering. Then now my lashes. Just try to put your lashes before you do your foundation, so that when you're pulling your eye, you don't put fingerprints on your foundation. So stretch out your eye. Press the blush. Then it sits. And on this one again. When it's properly dried, you stretch them high. Alright, then we're done, and then we do our black liner foundation. Pull your eye down and make sure you're putting your liner on the waterline. Today I'm trying out the Clinique foundation. This is in shade 23 Ginger. Yeah, so I'm going to be trying this one out. Kind of looks a bit light. One thing that I've noticed as soon as I put it on my skin is that it's really matte. The reason I'm doing this is that when I put my hand, it's so that when I'm putting the setting spray, it doesn't stain my eyeshadow. I'm going in with the Revolution Conceal and Define shade C13. So I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty translucent powder, the Pro Filter in Banana. Alright, so I'm going in with the Mocha Mami to contour my face. I'm dabbing like this so that I have a very defined contour. Then now we are contouring our nose. Alright, so now I'm going in with my dark deepest MAC Mineralize powder. Of blush palette in shade dark, and we are using this two, the bottom ones. Alright, and for our highlighter we're using the killawatt highlighter. This highlighter is the bomb diggity. I love it. I love it. Alright, so for my nose and my forehead, I'm just going to put the MAC Whisper of Guilt. Our setting spray. I think I do nude quite a lot, so it's time to just change it up a bit. Well, girls, So this look, you can do whatever you want with it, with your lips. Either you can go nude, or you can go red, or you can go with this color that I've just used. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you really loved watching it. If you did, please thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends. And see you on the next one.